people like Apostle Johnson Suleiman, Bishop Oyedepo, Prophet TB Joshua, Prophet Jeremiah Omuto Fufoyi, and Pastor Chris, Papa Adeboye can prophesy good things about Nigeria and the world. It comes to pass. Do good things. Help restore broken families. Heal people from their diseases. Impact people's life. Make them rich. Yet, some of you Nigerians, you insult them, condemn them, try to destroy them. But they ignore and stay quiet, still bless you. How much more me, ordinary comedian in Cameroon, who will tell you truth about who you are in entertainment, yet you are insulting me, all manners of insult, curse me, all kind of curse. You think I'll be angry? Me, O Pancho, CY International, Nyanga Dross. You think I'll be angry? You insult me, all kind of insult. You think me, I'll be angry? Me when you don't shit for market, smelling shit, so they fly the holla. So you think you will insult me? I get angry. My brother, I'm a complete human being. God bless me from now till tomorrow. Listen to me. I just told you, and this is what I meant. Stop twisting my message to you. You are just twisting my message for nothing. You are making it to become way something. No. My message is simple. Make entertainment flexible. That is all I'm talking about. Make it flexible. There is no way I will keep commenting on your post, sharing your post, clicking like and love, but yet when you see my own, you ignore. Whereas we are doing the same thing. It is not going. There is no way every day I will be giving you my money. Giving you my money. Buy you food. Buy you drinks. Yet you don't have one time to give me back. My brother, you are greedy. You are greedy. That is who you are. So stop twisting my message. Alright? Last time Davido came to Cameroon, small boy Davido, small boy, when he start make money, I don't know when. Davido came to Cameroon and insulted the entire Cameroon country, saying that Davido, I don't know nobody in Cameroon except Stanley Eno, whom he has done a collabo with, and Samuel Etofis, who dashed him money. Just imagine. But yet, we did not react into that. We still came in our numbers. Share Davido up. That is the level we Cameroonians, we can show love to our brothers. We can show unity and togetherness. Alright? Your DJ, Nigeria DJ, insulted us by telling us that we Nigerian DJs and MCs, we don't play Cameroon music and we will never play Cameroon music because Cameroon is not our culture. We Nigerians. And then yet, you want us not to react. When we talk, you start saying we are practicing hate. We are preaching hate. We are promoting xenophobia. No, there is nothing xenophobia. There is nothing hate. It's just the truth. So you want us to fold our hands while you open another Igwe shrine in Cameroon with your own culture in Cameroon. It will never work that way. Go. Check it from history of music till now. How many artists, even when Makosa was making waves in the world, how many Cameroon artists have you ever invited to come and perform in Nigeria? How many have you ever invited to even come for an event, if not of Afrima, which is an Africa, the whole thing? It will not work that way. Let's be flexible. Call us to come and chop Naira too, because we are tired. Somebody like me will not stay and watch my hands. And to this man, I don't know how I fit call you, Mr. MC Leke. So you look yourself very well for mirror. You look yourself very well for mirror, Mr. MC Leke. You know get sentiment. You don't feel sentiment for hippopotamus. You don't smell that means something not tell you say, hey, this face be like now hippopotamus is small brother or uncle. You turn around, you can't insult me. Say my anyhow baby. See the way you are destroying your nation, Nigeria. The same you are the one insulting your country. Because the same time you are saying that Nigeria is a great nation, and the same moment You are insulting America, fucking America. Are you not dull? Now we brain block, not be near your own. Listen to me, my dear Nigerian people. We are brothers. We remain brothers. What I'm talking about is not about it. It got nothing to do with two nations. Every nation is a nation. No matter how small or big you are, it's a nation. A president is a president. He's still a head of state. Whether you have 100 people under your citizenship or you have 1 billion, you are all head of states and all is country. So we are not talking about that because it will never ever happen. We still remain. I'm talking about entertainment. Make entertainment flexible. All right? Listen to me. Take it or leave it. I don't owe you any apology. Simple. 80% Cameroon music, 20% Nigeria music. You have insulted us too much. And right now, we cannot take it anymore. We cannot take it anymore. We keep inviting you to come and play music. Enjoy with us. Sing with us. Never. Never will you even dream. Why? You don't get for biso. And when I want to talk, una say na hate. No be hate. Na reality what they tell una. No way. We don't want it anymore. It don't finish. It don't finish. Now me at the talk. And please, when I tell you that I have employed some Nigerians working with me in farming, I am not lying. It's not hate. Don't make farming look as if farmers are the most important people in the world. I am a blessed and very rich farmer. I just posted a video online. Listen to me. I don't come online to do propaganda. I don't do propaganda. I don't tell lies online because I want to be famous. No way. I am a rich farmer. I am doing my best. And that is where my money is coming from. What I'm doing on social media, I'm just amusing myself. Because we are seeing many people with all the billions they have in the bank. They just get high blood and die. So what I'm doing, I'm just amusing myself to make myself look younger and grow, meet my old age. Are you understanding me? So when I tell you, my brother, are there no Cameroonians who are doing house girl and houseboy job in Nigeria? Are there no Cameroonians who are doing other jobs in Nigeria? They are. So when I tell you I have employed some farmers, some Nigerians are working with me as farmers, it's not a bad thing. Farming is the best job. I'm a farmer. I work farm with my own hands. All right. So don't look at it as if it's don't look at it as if it's insult where he get a CB. You understand? So never look at it that way. Me, I'm the last person whom you ever see me on online try to post any of my achievement or whatever. No, I don't do that. I don't do that because I'm who I am. I have confidence for myself. I know that I'm not living by the rules of nature, but by the grace of Almighty God. All right? The Jehovah. And I'm I'm the boldest snake. I will say it as it is. So don't turn it political. You want to say, oh, Cameroon, Nigeria. No. We are all brothers. I'm just telling you that make entertainment flexible. Don't be greedy. Don't be selfish. If I keep supporting you, I keep promoting you, I keep celebrating you, I keep giving to you, and yet you never find time to give me back. My brother, there is no two name given to you. You are selfish and greedy. Simple. I am very sorry that I globalize everything that Nigerians. I'm very sorry about that. My emotions were too high. But don't also forget that the same God who said, care for the widows, care for the orphans, care for the sick, provide for the prisoners, is the same God when he wants to destroy a nation. Even a toddler is not pitied. Get some wisdom. Get some wisdom. So I'm sorry about that to globalize. Oh, the whole Nigerians are this and that. I'm just telling you truth. Take it or leave it. In Cameroon now, 80% Cameroon music, 20% Nigeria music and foreign music. Because we don't want, and if you Nigerian artists, you cannot learn to start calling our own artists to come and perform in Nigeria. You cannot learn to start playing our own music in Nigeria. We will ban your music completely. It has to be flexible. Crash my back, I crash your back. DJ Arafat did it. You people did the same. So when we stand, we want to try to do the same. You don't have to start blaming us or start insulting us. Because me, Abiotinko, as you see me so, my thunder, they don't finish do gym. They ready for work. So, no worry yourself.